Authorities in Gaza say they have destroyed 15 tons of Snickers chocolate bars. Inspectors from the Economy Ministry looked on as thousands of them were tossed into a big hole before being set alight. The manufacturer, Mars, recalled chocolate bars from 55 countries last month after pieces of plastic were found in a product. This consumer protection officer says, "We destroyed Snickers and Mars chocolate after working with the product's importers and distributors. There was an order for them to be recalled from the market." Other brands on the recall list are Milky Way minis and miniatures, as well as Celebrations confectionery boxes. The countries involved include Germany, the UK, France, Belgium and Spain.